Vintage leather is mostly greased or oiled leather with a slightly sanded surface. Certain areas darken over a period, mainly where the leather comes into direct skin contact. Some areas get lighter where it encounters friction. With the Colourlock handbag and cleaning care kits, such surfaces can be cleaned and maintained. First, clean the darkened areas with the Colourlock mild leather cleaner. Apply a bit of cleaner to a soft cloth or sponge and clean from seam to seam. Allow to dry on its own or dry with a hairdryer using the cold setting. Repeat cleaning if necessary. Use a soft cloth for surfaces that have heavily darkened. Use the Colourlock elephant leather preserver to maintain. Gently rub the leather grease sparingly in a cloth and apply evenly and circularly from seam to seam. A detailed description and further tips on many leather problems can be found at www.colourlock.com.